Welcome to MCAN Training for Workers in Child Protection. This introductory session provides you with the basic foundational framework for child protection practice in Montana. It helps you assess if work in child protection is a good fit for you. It highlights themes covered through the MCAN training and provides an organizational overview of the division. MCAN is a standardized training curriculum premised on competencies we want you to gain, on values we want you to embrace, on goals we want you to strive for, and on best social work practice we want you to implement. Our mission at CFS is keeping children safe and families strong. We do this through our mission, through core values and practice goals, all of which you'll learn about in this training module. MCAN training is built upon 5 themes that CFSD has identified as important in child protection work in Montana. We'll take a look at each of these themes and ask you to consider some important questions relative to your work as a CFSD employee. The themes are accountability and outcomes, evidence-based and promising practices, fairness and equity, strength-based practice, and family and youth engagement. Finally, we'll provide you with some additional resources for your own journey to best practice, and we provide you with a very helpful training manual. You'll demonstrate your knowledge of the material in Week 1 through an online quiz and through 2 embedded assignments. To get started, click on the PowerPoint, review the information there, and then head to the readings. Within the readings, you will find 2 embedded discussions. Participate in those discussions, and when you feel comfortable and ready, head to the unit quiz. Good luck, and again, welcome.